Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into the features and benefits of two fantastic countertop nugget ice makers. On one side, we have the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker, known for its sleek design and impressive daily output of 33 pounds of chewable ice. On the other side, we have the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop, which boasts a slightly higher output of 35 pounds and a more compact design. Let's find out which one comes out on top in this icy battle. When it comes to performance, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker takes the lead with its ability to produce the first batch of ice in just 6 minutes. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop takes about 7 minutes for its first batch. While both machines have impressive daily outputs, the Silonn's quicker start time is a significant advantage for those who need ice in a hurry. In terms of design, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker features a sleek mirror black finish that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. On the other hand, the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop showcases a luxury silver finish with a transparent casing, allowing you to see the ice inside. Both designs are modern and stylish, but your choice may depend on your kitchen decor. Finally, let's talk about value. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $249.98, while the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is more affordable at $199.99. For those on a budget, the Carzoe model offers a slightly higher daily output and a lower price, making it a better value overall. However, if you prioritize speed and design, the Silonn may be worth the investment. In conclusion, both the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop have their strengths and weaknesses. The Silonn excels in speed and design, while the Nugget Ice Maker offers better value for those on a budget. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision on which ice maker to choose for your home or office. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.